Hi, welcome back. In our last video we saw how to edit the record. In this video I am going to teach how to delete the record. If you click the delete button, the entire row should delete. So here right click the delete button, impact, you can see the ID. This is the ID of the record. Okay, this is the ID. Okay, now here if you click the button, what happens is it goes to the relevant method. Okay, here this index page. Here when you click the delete button, you can see here it goes to relevant function along with the ID, along with this ID, right, along with this ID, right, 29. Okay, now here it goes to the relevant function get delete, right. This all the stuff I already taught in my basic CRUD part, and here get this ID and put into this variable. It's take and go to this relevant page, delete student.jsp page, right. Now here what I'm going to do is here I'm going to create this page, delete student, right. So select the web pages folder, right click, new, JSP. Here I'm going to go to create the delete student. Create the page delete student, right, click finish. Now your delete student page has been created successfully. Now let's remove the default one. Now you have to start the JSP tag and close the JSP tag, right. Now here first what I'm going to do is here let's go to the edit student.jsp page. Here the same thing, I just copy the JSON array list, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Now here you have to import this class, right. After that what I am going to do is here when you click the delete button, what happens is it take this ID, it goes to this page, only this ID, it take the ID and go to this page. So here we are retrieving the ID, so int ID equal integer dot parseInt, you have to write here request dot parameter, request dot get parameter. Here we have to write ID. After that I am going to create the object of the student class. So you have to write student st equal student. Now here I have created the object st. Here I have to add the package, right, import for being student, right, added successfully. Now what I am going to do is here I go to the student DAO class. Here I am going to create the method delete. So the same edit method I just Control C to copy, Control V to paste below. Here we have to change this function name delete student. That's the only thing I am going to do here, right. Now here after that I am going to change the SQL query here, right. Now here we have to remove the update query and we have to write here is delete from which table you are going to delete the records table, where ID equal question mark, right. After that here this all parameters we don't need it, let's remove all, we need only the ID, right. So you have to put only one, right, because we have only one parameters I have set it here, so you have to one, right. So here only thing we have to do the simple code, right. This is the simple code we have to use to delete the record, right. This is this parameter we have set into this column, right. Okay, what is the ID coming here? I have to delete the entire record, right. That's the thing I have to do here, right. Now let's back to my delete student.jsp page. After that what I am going to do is here I already created the object of the student class st. Here I have set the value, so st dot set ID set into this ID. What's the ID you are receiving? You have to set into this object, right? After that, I'm going to create the student DAO class object. I'm going to create the student DAO class object D equal new student DAO, right? I have created the object successfully here. Let's add the package, right? I added successfully. After that, what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to create the try and catch block here. Exception EX. Right. Now here inside the try, I'm going to create the variable int status equal this object D dot which method you are going to call delete the record, delete student method you have to go call here, and this is the ID you are receiving. You are set into this object st, this st object you have set it here, right? What's the ID coming here? You have set into this variable. This variable we are calling here. We are calling here. It goes to the relevant function inside the DAO package. So here it's go here. It's take the what is the ID coming here. It's set it here and delete the entire row. Right. That's the stuff I have deleted here. Right. After that, the same thing. What I did here, edit student JSP. The same thing. You have to Control C to copy. Here Control V to paste here, right? That's the thing we have, right? Now here what is the error here? I got it here is I didn't add the class, right? So which class we have to add it? JSON object, this class. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here, right? So this class we have to add it here, right? That's the error, right? Okay, this is a simple code you have to write to delete the record. Very simple. We have to write here. We have to do this step by step. It's very easy. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. So let's select the index.jsp page, right click, run file. Right, it's working. Now here if you click the delete button, record delete, here click OK, it's deleted successfully. If you want to delete this record, click delete button, here it's deleted successfully. It's working well. I hope you guys understood the things. I will continue in my next lecture.